Hello everyone, my name is Lanso90 and welcome back to my tutorial series for Dwarf Fortress. I was very excited to see. I listened to the playback of the video after last episode, and it doesn't sound like the air conditioner was that bad. So that makes me very, very happy. Because it was getting hot in here. People are getting upset about the mining going on. It's disrupting their crafting tasks. It's pretty annoying. Because anytime they're on like a repeating task, they'll cancel what they're doing. Fairly annoying. Once it's done, it'll be done. There we go. Oh, I accidentally muted the in-game sound. So I was trying to listen to make sure it was... the audio was actually clean and it wasn't just in-game audio covering it up. Start to really get our flow of doors going now. Oops. Little door. Doors to these back rooms because of the... you can lock the gases in there. Somehow doors are airtight. The rest will start placing down here. Ah, well, he's getting it built faster because he has the rocks right next to him. Really help out with this sort of thing. Not a whole lot I can do until this wood gets chopped down. So I guess we're gonna dig out some more permanent stuff. We'll work on the grand feasting hall next. I'm just doing this to kind of make it a little bit prettier. These side rooms are going to be storage for drink and food. In fact, I'm going to make them one tile wire. They're going to be pretty thick. I have two C's. Oops, one tile too far. But I want to be able to build my my different food production places next to it. The kitchen, butchery, and the fishery. And on the other side, on a brewing station. Oops. I pressed F1 and that brought us to the surface. So, and that should be good. Probably enough cups for now. I don't know how many he's made, but I want him to go cut things down. Need more doors just to handle lots of the hauling jobs and stuff. We'll get there. You see him storing the remains away. You don't really need to haul the stuff from outside to do it, but I prefer to. You can see that they actually started grabbing the bodies and bringing them to the butchery now that they did it. So sometimes he hunts things and they die outside and he doesn't bring them in. Kind of annoying. Every once in a while, you might want to look at your area where you're harvesting the trees, and just make sure that no one's like stuck in the tree. Like this guy, I think he's just harvesting right now. I don't think he's stuck. Just pay attention if they're blinking with like the thirst icon, which is the down blue arrow, or they're blinking with the hunger icon, which is a down orange arrow. Just check for that, and if they're blinking like that, that means they probably are stuck in the tree and they've been starving. Just check every now and then. I think they fixed it. I think it was kind of just an early access part of that particular update. But it's still worth checking out. Some doors put in. Never have enough doors. They don't actually slow anyone down to move through them. And you can always lock them. They're pretty sturdy. They used to be invulnerable, but now they're just pretty sturdy. Especially when they're made out of rock like this. That's our carpenter. He's not doing anything right now. More step ladders, a couple more wheelbarrows. And then I might start making them start making chairs and tables. That corpses pile is actually getting full. I think I'm gonna stockpiles, P, X to remove one. Then I remove this one here. And now I'm gonna Q over this stockpile. I'm gonna copy the settings. I think there's a way to copy the settings. L, load save settings. Save. Corpses. Thought there was a little bit better way to do it, but I guess not. P, and then custom stockpile. Q over this one, save and load settings, load, corpses. Okay, it seemed to work. All the trees get chopped down, yes indeed. I still see some overhanging though. So we will do designate, chop down trees. Hope he can get to this one. Oh no, he's still chopping, okay. He's doing it, he's doing it. He's also getting pretty good at it. His icon changed from what he was to having an axe in his hand now. Just have a ton of menial labor jobs stacked up between all the remains and all the plants that are being gathered out here. All need stored. Let's take a look at our stocks. We're actually starting to run out of drink. Let's go to our still. And brew drinks from fruit on repeat. Dwarf therapist. Let's actually look at our brewer. now I'm going to turn off his hauling. Which again makes all those medial layer drops stack up more, but the drinks are slightly more important. Alright, so that'll be the last. Guess he can't get to that one, huh? I was really hoping with the ramp that he could. Build capital C. What I'll do is I'll build a wall. Wall is W there. I'm going to use U to make it 2 tiles big. And I'm going to build it right next to this tree and next to the ramp, so that hopefully you can get up on top of that wall, chop that tree down. Anyone can build the wall, which is nice. Anyone with the hauling stuff turned on for it. But since they're doing so many other things, it might take a while. Up there they go. Shit, I guess he didn't even need the wall. That's okay. So now we'll do designate pin to remove construction, move the walls, then designate channel, channel that square out. Designate remove ramps. See, he got hungry. He might have been stuck in the tree for a little bit there. And alright, now our miner is free to work again. So alright, what I'm gonna do is on this layer we're gonna build a wall around the base. All the way to here. This means we do want to dig a channel, just so we have a flat surface. Channel those out. You can see it's taking quite a bit longer to get up here now. Not the end of the world though. Check the higher layers of trees, just make sure that it really is no overhang. Seems good. Designate, remove ramps. Working with the miner, it's usually good to work in little pieces like this. Just because you don't want something to collapse. Channeling is fairly safe, but even still, I kind of like to work piece by piece. It also helps with just visualizing what you need to do. These ramps. Okay. Now we need to start building walls. What's happening here? Designate. Designation. Did I do it on the wrong tile? Construction, please. Not really sure what happened, but let's build a ramp next to this. Maybe they gotta tackle it from above. Alright, the wood crafter is done again. Let's make some more bolts. This require a specific type of construction. Oh, anyone can do it, everyone's just busy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn everyone's hauling on. all the huge amount of jobs that are stocked up right now get finished, then everything should move smoother again, even if they have all their hauling turned on. Just there's so many jobs to do, nothing can get done. Building these extra doors isn't going to help, but I'll clear them out of our stockpile. It's taking up space, and once we place them, it adds to the value of our fortress. Please tell me that these are being removed now.
Autumn
It's autumn now. That was a quick summer, actually. Don't know if it was actually in-game quick, it just felt pretty quick. So we should be expecting another caravan, and we should be expecting our... well, yeah, expecting our caravan, but also expecting migrants. This is also usually when I would like to try to get some basic defenses up and running. Take a while to save the game. Starting to get where we might see our first goblins, might see our first legendary creatures. I hope not, but I have seen it this early into the game. That's why I got these basic moats started. I want to get the walls up next. Let's not tear down these walls though. Hoping they're just too busy with other things. I don't know if I can promote the task. Not really. There's a job list. If you press J, you can kind of see like what's in the list here. I am just not seeing deconstruction. It's in red. Okay, the ramp isn't good enough. Maybe let's build upstairs. And a downstairs. It's weird because these say they're pillars, not walls. Maybe I could collapse it from underneath. A little scary though.
Ach, I fished all the fish there are. There's no more fish.
Still pretty busy though. New construction. Oh, maybe Q. Walls could count as buildings. I'm a little unsure what's happening here. Could just be some kind of glitch. So normally it'd be designate and then N to remove construction. And then we'd select these dang old pillars. Blinking a different color now. Seems to be in a big hurry still, though. Job list again. What the fuck is going on with these damn pillars, dude? Really, like, no one near our doors. Is there like instructions toggled on everyone? Should be that, and even if it wasn't, it would be like carpentry. I do like move this construction then. Cancels, remove squares and ramps. Appropriate dig square. That was down there. Properties. None of those. It's supposed to just be remove them, dude. I don't know why it's not working. Kinda makes the process of making a tutorial here a little bit rough on me, huh? Remove stairs and ramps. Try that first. Caravan. I'm a little focused right now, though, to worry about the caravan. This is our trader and everything. We should designate our own trader. Do that by pressing N. Have the broker slot. That's going to be our leader for now, because he has the best skills in it. Our leader is also going to be our record keeper. He can't do it yet because he doesn't have a office, but oh, jeez. Excuse me. I have no idea what's going on with these stairs. I'm actually gonna Google it. Let's see. Dwarf Fortress. Doors won't deconstruct. (2008). Yikes. Ta-da! It could be because there's so much wood around it, they're not doing it. People are saying if there's stuff in the way. Got the actual wiki option for remove. Constructed walls and chairs. Trying to remove anything that has a construction, anything built with the B and C keys, that's another designation. Use B and N to mark the construction. Any dwarf will respond and eventually take it down, which takes longer than it took to build. That's what I've been doing. Okay, maybe the wood's in the way. So let's remove the designations. That could be it because they have to stand adjacent. Since they can still stand adjacent to this one, they need to be able to stand adjacent to it and then put the wood next to them. So maybe that's why. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna build. Get rid of that wiki so I can see the timer. We're gonna build C. I'll start working on our walls instead here. Shift enter just for anything nearby. The UH, M, and K keys again to. Just gonna use everything that's the closest because that should use the logs that are closest to it. Oh, you know what? We don't want to do that. Hold on. Designate. Designation. Construction. Q. X remove building. Geez, it's all piece by piece, just closest. Okay, there you go. They can end up skipping these corner pieces, is why I had to do that. Yeah, hopefully build. Also build some floors. I want to leave space because I want some interior doors to lock out the bad guys. We don't want to use the blocks. Blocks are what we put into the stockpile that we need to build with other things. We still want to use locks. We're making a crap ton of it because we have so much wood piled up. We have so much wood piled up, we have to take it somewhere. We're out of time for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and have a good day.